morning to you. Now, it's one of the most worn items in our closets, denim. And with new trends coming in every season, don't waste your money on brand new jeans, when you can customize them yourself. So I went to the pros at the Art Institute of Houston to find out how to DIY your denim.
Stacey is a professor at the Art Institute of Houston, and she's sharing her secrets to getting the perfect fall look this season.
First, let's start out by what you're going to use to attach, what have you, to your jeans. So we have my favorite E6000 The Bomb Glue in clear. It also does come in white and it comes in black, but clear is my favorite. Okay. You can attach anything with this stuff and it'll go through the washing machine.
You can find both of these at Michael's for $3.99 each. First, you can add a tuxedo stripe to the side of your jeans.
Don't need a measuring tape or anything like that. I would suggest that you start from either right here at the waistband, or you could go all the way up.
Match the heat and bond to your fabric, then iron on for about 30 seconds on high, and you're done. Second, add lace to the top of your pockets using your E6000 glue.
Flip this back, and I'm going to get it on the edge of the lace. Okay. Here.
Finally, create oversized pockets with the fabric of your choice.
For someone who's not used to doing this, would you tell them to still kind of just like eyeball it? Or
eyeball it, or just put a piece of paper on top and then just feel for the ridge and trace it out and kind of like make a little pattern.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Glue down the edges, leaving a 1/4 inch of shag so that your fabric will fringe after the first wash.
All right, guys, so I put these jeans in the washing machine using the E6000 glue to really put it to the test, and everything held up. I'm not saying Stacey was lying to us, but I wanted to test it out, right? And so everything stayed on. This was the heat and bond strip, and then we glued on. Even this flower stayed intact, and of course the pocket did as well. You can see how it fringed around the corners, around the edges. Now, Stacey also recommends using this E6000, or rather the heat and bond or stitch witchery to hem up the bottom of your jeans, just like that. And look, I tested it. It goes to the washing machine just fine. So if you need a quick fix, both this E6000 glue and the stitch witchery or heat and bond was just $3.99.
Sounds